Got Yahoo stuck as your Chrome search? Here's how to remove it in 1 minute. First, open Chrome and click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu, then choose Search Engine on the left. Click Search Engine used in the address bar and pick a preferred engine like Google. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search to view all entries. Find Yahoo in the list, click the 3 dots beside it, and choose Remove. Make sure your default is not Yahoo, set it to Google or another trusted option. Now check Extensions, open the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. Disable or remove any unknown extensions that mention Yahoo or change searches. If Yahoo persists, go to Settings, scroll to Reset and Clean Up, and restore settings to their original defaults. Relaunch Chrome and test the address bar. Searches should go to your chosen engine now. Quick recap: Settings, manage search engines, remove Yahoo, check extensions, reset if needed. If this helped, subscribe for more quick Chrome tips.